So guys, today we'll try to learn the next Boolean string method, that is isascii. Now this is basically used to check whether all characters in the string are ASCII or not. Now when I'm talking about ASCII, this is American Standard Code of Information Interchange. Yeah. Now the ASCII characters are those whose Unicode points are in the range from 0 to 127. When you call isascii on a string, it returns true if all characters within the string are ASCII characters and false otherwise. If the string is empty, the ASCII method returns true since there are no characters to check. Okay. So in order to get what are the ASCII characters, we we have seen this in my earlier videos, but just to show you how to find an ASCII character, before that we'll check the syntax. Let's put the syntax first and then we'll move on to checking how ASCII characters can be seen, or the new relevant numbers related to the ASCII characters can be found. So the syntax is the string that you want to check and is ASCII. Yeah, and the parenthesis. So this is the syntax of checking whether a string has an ASCII. Usually, if you want to get an ASCII of a particular characters, if I want to, as I said earlier, 0 to anything which is within the ASCII characters Unicode range of 0 to 127. So suppose I put print char 88, which is an ASCII value of X, capital X. Yes, if I put 107, it is an ASCII value of small k. Yeah, if we have 127, which is the last ASCII number, it gives me space. So it is considered as an ASCII character. Yeah. So it will return, if I try to check whether it contains space, it will return true. Okay. So let's try to see some example. Suppose I have this string E. Okay. String has alphabet E. Or I scan analyze. Okay, let me put my, okay, and I'm checking whether all the characters are ASCII or are all the characters within the string are ASCII. Yes, and I need to change the method is ASCII. Let's run this. So it should give me true because all the characters are within the 0 to 127 ASCII range. Yes. Let's check for an empty string. What is the result that it gives? Yeah. Since it does not have anything, as empty. String is empty. So I do not have I scan analyze in the string. The string is completely empty. So it is treated as a space. Hence it returns the value as true, which is the last ASCII character that we have seen, which was 127. Yeah. Suppose I have special characters as the input. Again, these are all ASCII characters. Even special characters are ASCII characters, but I'll try to put dollar, hash, and star. Yeah. So we have multiple ASCII characters or multiple special characters. String has special characters. Yeah. So these are also treated as ASCII characters. So I'll show you. So if I put this char, 122. Let's see whether it's an Z. 122 is Z. Let me see anything from start numbers 51. Yeah, it is 3. It is a number. 45. See, this is a special character. This is hyphen. Yeah. So if hyphen was part of this, which is a special character, it will treat it as an ASCII character and return the output as true. So any value which is an which falls within the American standards of information within that 0 to 127 range, it will consider it as an ASCII character, and hence this particular formula is ASCII will return the value as true. Yeah. Now suppose I have alphabets along with the special characters. So I have I can analyze. Yes, and I have the special characters as well with it. Yes, uh, along with alphabets. Yes, let's see what is the output. It gives the value as true because I can analyze is all alphabets and it is part of ASCII characters. If I try to put uh, get the value of this. So suppose I want E, I want to get the ASCII value of this. So that is the formula called odd, which gives the ordinal value of E. So let's see what it gives. It should give you a number, which is the ASCII number 69. So if I type CHR 69, it will give me the ASCII value of E. ASCII, this is the ASCII value. It will give me the alphabet E. See this? Yeah. Now suppose I have some different character which is not from the ASCII value. So if I keep change this E as A, this is A when you spell it, okay, which has an apostrophe above E. Let's see what is the output. You see this? It is false. This is not an ASCII character. If I try to get an ASCII for this, it will see what it gives. Yeah, it is giving the value as 232, wherein ASCII characters are within the range 0 to 127. Yeah, so this is out of the range of the ASCII characters. Hence, it is giving the output as false. Yeah, because this is not an ASCII character. So if string has special characters which are out of the ASCII character range, yeah, so it will give us false. Now let's understand if you have Unicode strings. So suppose I have Unicode string. I don't remember. Let me check whether I have some numbers which Unicode numbers. So I have this Unicode number. Yeah. Even though now you need to remember that even though these are string has, let me put it Unicode. Uh, escape sequences. Yeah, I'm using Unicode escape sequences. Now, although the string has all this representation as Unicode escape sequences, the characters represented by these escape sequences are ASCII. Yeah. Hence, the result obtained is true. So let's run this. Let's see whether the result is true. Yes, it is true. Because these are representation of ASCII characters. Hence, this Unicode characters, since these are in the range from 1 to 27, hence it is giving us the output as true. Yes. See this? This 04448 is the Unicode of H. Yeah. Let's see what is the Unicode of or the alphabet of Unicode 65, which is small e. Yes. Let's see this. What is the Unicode of this one? Or the alphabet which represent this one? This is 1 or L. Sorry. Let's check the last one. So it represents small. Yeah. So as we see, this particular method checks for ASCII characters within your string. If all the characters are ASCII characters, then it returns true or it returns false. Hope you understood this method and do like, subscribe, comment, or share this videos to your friends, colleagues who want to learn Python. Do tell them as well to subscribe to my channel to get such more informative videos which will help you to learn Python in a more easier way. Thank you so much.